Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access Microsoft OneDrive. Let's have a look now. To access Microsoft OneDrive, open your prepared web browser. In the address bar, type onedrive.live.com and press enter. This will take you to the official OneDrive website. Sign in with your Microsoft account. After signing in, you will be taken to your OneDrive dashboard. Here you can see your files and folders. You can upload new files, organize content, and access your documents, photos, and more. For a seamless experience, you can download the OneDrive app on your computer. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.